हेलो गाइस, हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले पाने के लिए बेल आइकन का दबाना ना भूलें।
This is convex lens. This is principal axis which is passing through center of curvature of lens. Here is an object OA which is placed on principal axis. This is an incident ray coming from an object and meets a point E of convex lens. Then it refracted and passing through F. Second ray coming from that object and passing through C. Both the rays intersect to each other at point B. Join B to principal axis perpendicularly, which meets at point I of principal axis. We get an image IB. Here is two triangles, triangle AOC and triangle BCI. Both are similar to each other. Here angle ACO equal to angle BCI. By similarity theory, corresponding side ratio is equal to each other. Hence, A upon BI equal to OC upon CI. This is equation 1. Here forms two another triangles. Triangle ECF and triangle BFI. Both are also similar. Here angle ECF equal to angle BFI. By similarity theory, C upon Bi equal to CF upon Fi. This is equation 2. Here forms a quadrilateral AOEC. Here all the angles are equal to 90 degree, hence AEOC is a rectangle. Hence AO equal to EC and OC equal to AE. Now put the value of C in equation 2, we get A upon Bi equal to CF upon Fi. This is equation 3rd. From equation 1 and equation 3 we get OC upon Ci equal to CF upon Fi. This is equation 4. For better understanding, we remove a part from the figure, which is a straight line. On the straight line there are 3 points C, F and I. Here C is center of curvature and F is focus. Here CF plus Fi equal to Ci or Fi equal to Ci minus CF. Now we go on fourth equation. Put the value of Fi in equation 4. The equation is OC upon Ci equal to CF upon Ci minus CF. This is equation 5. Here OC equal to object distance, which is denoted by minus U for convex lens. Ci equal to image distance, which is denoted by V. CF equal to focal length, which is denoted by F. Put the value of OC, Ci and CF in equation 5. Now we get minus V by minus U by V equal to F by V minus F. We cross multiply, we get minus U into V minus F equal to V into F, or after simplification we get minus UV plus UF equal to UF, VF. Dividing by UVF on both the sides, we get minus UV upon UVF plus UF upon UVF equal to UF upon UVF. After simplification, we get minus 1 by a plus 1 by b equal to 1 by u. After arranging this equation, we get 1 by b minus 1 by u equal to 1 by a. This is the Lens formula. Thank you.
हेलो गाइस, हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले पाने के लिए बेल आइकन का दबाना ना भूलें।